Welcome, Karthik. I have 14 years of IT experience. Great, wonderful. Out of which I have 7 years into integration tooled web methods. Can you please suggest me a roadmap and how I could utilize my past experience? Yeah, sure. So the roadmap that I have on my YouTube, Data Science Roadmap for Students, is still valid for somebody like you that wants to make a career change, so you're still kind of new to data science in general, maybe not new in your career. So if I was in your position, I would, well, one, I would take the time to learn data science, right? We're not just trying to pass interviews, we're trying to dedicate ourselves to the profession. But where you're going to find that your experience helps you is going to be on the deployment side, because a well-executed algorithm towards its end, towards like the final stages of its development, starts to look a lot like a library that is used in any number of programming projects or languages, right? Like after a while, the algorithm starts to behave just like a library, right? And it's often packaged up as a library, or it should be, right? If you're doing things right. So that's where I would say that your skills are going to help you. If you can talk to teams and say, well, I may still be developing my data science skills, but I'm pretty good at being able to integrate libraries into a deployment package, and maybe you're good at maintenance, or maybe you're good at localization. I don't know, right? Take your pick. But that's where I would think that your skills would help you to be able to say that I can't maybe help on the development side, but I can help on the deployment side because I understand how you deploy libraries. That's a valid approach to getting a job, or to kind of finding your way into the data science world. Okay, so glad to have you here.